Hi, welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show. Sometimes your phone may run down out of power too quickly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to maximize your battery's usage. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your finger at the top and drag it down. Then you're going to want to tap settings. Next, you're going to want to scroll down until you see battery and device care. Tap it. Now, the next thing you're going to want to go to the top three dots and tap on it. You're going to want to tap on automation. Now you're going to want to tap on auto optimize daily and tap on it. You're going to also want to tap on auto restart at set times, and then you're going to set the time by tapping on it. Now you're going to want to choose which day you want it to automatically reset. Choose every day, and I choose a time when I'm not going to be using the phone, so I'll say 4 a.m. and I'll hit done. Now what that's going to do is it's going to automatically turn your phone off and optimize it for daily use. Then you go back. Finally, you're going to want to hit adaptive power saving. Now you use this to turn the power saving mode on, and it's going to automatically adapt it based on the way you use your phone. So you tap that. Now your phone will be automatically optimized, and you're going to save as much battery power as you can. If you found value in this quick tutorial showing you how to optimize your batteries for battery use, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button, share, and comment. I'm Bertrand. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show.